myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough, but that's what makes...
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to do is we're going to go up to the shop. We got the exhaust done on the CTS-V, so I'm going to let you hear that. And I'm also we had some wheels that we were thinking about putting on the CTS-V, so I'm going to try to put those wheels on and see how it look. It's nothing permanent, so if we don't like it, then we're just going to take the wheels off. But we're thinking about we got some wheels that we already had that we're thinking about putting on it. So I'm going to do that. And I also ordered a splitter for the front, so I'm gonna see if I can get that put on today, and I might take it for a drive. I'm not sure yet. So let's go up to the shop and get to the CTS-V. Okay, playing around with some wheel ideas on the CTS-V, and the radio is working, but we ain't getting no sound from the speakers, and realized someone stole the factory amp. So getting ready to put that back in, or try to put it in. But we got the exhaust done. They put a single exhaust on it. It's a single Flowmaster. I think it's 3-inch all the way back. Alright, here's a look at underneath of the CTS-V. He did a better job with this exhaust than he did on the truck. You see it's got 2 straight back to 1 single Flowmaster. You got 2 in and 2 out. I'll start it up so you can see how it sounds. Okay, got the wheels put on. Not sure if I'm gonna leave them on yet or how I like it, but we'll see. It's weird, camera froze. Lights on the dash, tire pressure monitors, things like that, ABS, that we need to get turned off, but other than that, everything in here works. I was going to take it down the road real fast, but if you can see, let me zoom in, it has no gas in it, so I don't want to take it down. I'll have to drive it some other time. Okay, so I got a front splitter to go on the CTS-V. I bought it from eBay. It looked pretty good in the picture, so we'll see how it looks when I put it on. And other than that, then we just need to get that fog light right there. So let me go ahead and start putting the splitter on. Here's the splitter right here. Don't know exactly how it's supposed to go on yet, but I'll figure it out and then I'll come back to the video. Okay, got the lid put on the CTS-V. For it to be a Chinese splitter, it actually came out pretty good, and it matched all the bolt holes, the original bolt holes on the car. So the shop is a mess right now. We got mud all in it, but other than that, here's the CTS-V. So we are done with the CTS-V. I think we're gonna get it buffed out and possibly paint it. And other than that, it's gonna be done. Okay, just got back from the shop. You see, we started up the CTS-V. I showed you the exhaust. I think it sounds pretty good for something not to have a cam in it. It sounds pretty good. So the CTS-V is I'm gonna call it finished. I wish I could have took it for a drive, but as you saw, it didn't have any gas in it, and I just didn't want to take it down the road without any gas in it. So maybe in a future video or something, I may get a shot of driving the car. But other than that, CTS-V is done. We probably gonna get it painted back black, and we're contemplating on painting the wheels that we just put on it black. But just like I said, if we don't like the wheels, we still have the original wheels. We're gonna get those painted black, and if we decide to sell the car, we're gonna sell it with the original wheels on it. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell. I do have more projects coming this coming year. In January, I do have a project that I'm going to kick off in January. So you don't want to miss the new projects that I have coming and planned for this channel. My next video, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video before Christmas or not. But if I don't, have a Merry Christmas, have Happy Holidays, and I'll see you guys in the new year.